Hello YouTube, and here is another one of my sort of vending machines, I guess, but this one has clothes in it, and I just got kind of bored, so I just put some clothes, and you don't have to put it in there, but yeah, and this will go great with like big cities and stuff in your town or your city, or yeah, and it'll look really great. And this is how you make it. These are the pieces you'll be needing. This diagonally shaped window shield, these 2x1 pieces that I put together, around about 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 of these are long pieces, long 2x1 pieces, and one of these, and another one of these, so 3 of these, and you'll be needing 5 of these 2x1 medium pieces, but I couldn't find any full colored ones, so I got these with the holes, and I couldn't find another one, so I got this slanted piece, but it doesn't really matter. And you'll be needing this slanted 2x4 piece, another 1x4 piece, medium, 3 of these 1x4 pieces, flat, these 2 1x6, yeah, 1x6, 2 of them. This, a 4x6 piece, any color, a blue slanted stud, a lever, 2 vents, and a little window thing. Okay, now first you'll be needing the window shield and putting it at the bottom left corner, so it looks like this. Then get your little windshield. Make sure the diagonal part is facing in, so it looks like that. I mean, yeah, so it looks like this, and it's flattened out. And then get your long 2x1 pieces and just line them up like so. Then for these, put one right in front of the last part, which is like this. So it looks like that. And then get another one and put it just like that. So it looks like that. And then get another one, the last one, put it right in between, just like that. So it's like this. And then once your structure is done, and then you will get your white 2x1 piece, and then get this 2x1 flat piece, put it right on top of that. Then get this block, put it right there. That's where the thing comes out. And then get your lever. Then make sure it goes up and down like that. Get your blue stud, diagonal blue stud. Put it right next to it, and it's flattened outside, so it looks like that. Put that down. Get the two 2x1 pieces that I stacked together. Put it on, so it's like that. Then get these 2. It doesn't matter, just get two 2x1 pieces, put it on top of each other, and do that on the top, so it looks like that. Wait, no. Crap. Get, like, this. Let me just take this off real quick. Okay. And then just put it on like that. Then that's your buttons and stuff. Then get your slanted 2x4 piece, just like that. Get your 1x4 piece, put it right in between them. And now we're just doing the roof. Get your 2 vents and put them right on top of these. And then for the rest, just put this here. Oops. Just put that there and get your other one and put it right next to it. And just put that there. 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 And there you have it. Your vending machine, or what I call it, a tuxedo machine. Well, listen, yeah. I hope this will improve your city or town, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.